Good morning, everybody. Here, for 8th standard, I am going to explain this first topic of networking concept, chapter number 1. If we take first topic, uses of networking. For that, very first, we should know what is networking. Today, in this world of computer, this is present age is the age of computer. This is computer's world. In this present age, we very well know that everywhere computer is used. In every field, everywhere we see that computers are used. Whether it is online shopping, it is, if we talk about schools, banks, homes, beauty parlors, designers, everywhere we see that computers are used. And when we talk in terms of networking, today we have excellent service, that is internet. And when we talk about internet, very first word which comes is networking. So we should know what is networking. Let me explain you what is networking. When we talk about network means connection, connectivity, connecting any minimum two or more than two objects. When we talk in terms of computer network, it comes that maybe when two or more than two computers are interconnected. When two or more than two computers are interconnected, it makes, or it is called, networking. It is used for sharing data, for sharing devices, for sharing information from one computer to another computer, for sharing information from one place to another place worldwide, across the globe. That is in networking. And internet works on the concept of networking. It is all possible. Today we are having online classes, we are giving audios, videos, we are sharing information. How come it is possible? It is all possible because of networking and using this concept of networking through internet. There are many uses of network. We have everywhere we see that there is network of friends. Best example, network of friends, network of roads, network of ATMs. Today we have different banks. Each bank, they have their own ATMs. All ATMs, say if I give example of SBI, all ATMs of SBI are connected, interconnected. But then after we had facility that you can take out money, you can withdraw money from any bank's ATM. Not compulsory that if you have your ATM card of SBI, you can only withdraw money from SBI's ATM. You can withdraw money from any other bank's ATM. That is, further, all banks' ATMs are interlinked, interconnected. So in today's world, it's presenting beautiful scenario. It's really very helpful. Networking is very helpful. So if I give you one word definition of network, that is connection, connecting, connectivity, maybe of any minimum two or maximum millions. Connectivity, connection. Network means connection. Thank you.